What's good, YouTube? It's been a minute, I know. I don't know how long it's been since I uploaded my last video. But, it's been a struggle out here, with everybody losing their jobs. This fucking quarantine shit. And then now to find out that I'm gonna be getting laid off soon. And we got a hurricane coming with two of them hoes. It's gonna be rough, but I mean, I try to get some stuff together so I could, get a little video put together for y'all. I don't know if y'all remember, but I told you that I broke one of my side mirrors, and I finally ordered the ones I wanted, the 454 ones, the little short ones. I finally ordered them and they came in today. So we're gonna be installing those. Oh, and then I'm gonna just wash the truck because it hasn't been washed in like, I don't know, like 3 months already. But that's gonna be for today's video. Again, I'm sorry I didn't put up too much content out there yet. I've been lacking, but I'm trying to get back to it. So let's get to it. There she is. All dirty and shit. Look how dirty this hoe is. Oh, and y'all didn't know this because I didn't show it or nothing, made a video about it or anything, but I had took off the baby billets and put on the cookies on. And I sold the baby billets. And the reason I did that was because, man, it was too much. They gave me too much problems, bro. I think one of them went flat on me like, I think 3 times. And I had fixed it and then went flat again and then I fixed it again. That was the right passenger side on the front. And then like a month later, the one on the left side, the driver's side, that one messed up on me. So I was just like, man, I was so irritated with them wheels. So I told my girl, I was like, man, fuck these wheels, I'm gonna just sell them. And I got these cookies on for now. And I think it looks better with the cookies on. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all later with the little photo shoot that I have. But I think it looks way better with the cookies. Like, it gives it like a sports stance, like it looks badass to me. I don't know. But yeah, man, I know some of y'all gonna be disappointed, that I sold the baby billets because y'all were digging the look. But I mean, it was just too much for me to deal with, man. They kept constantly messing up on me because baby billets is so fragile, and then I drive this truck daily, so I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm gonna just sell them and then just get something else later. But yeah, man, let me show you what I bought. It's these. I got them off Amazon. They just came in today. Well, one of them came in yesterday and then the other one came in today. I don't know why they did that shit, but they're here. They're these. Yes, sir. Let me show you the one that's broken. This one's good still, but it looks old. It's this one. That'll come off smooth, clean. Oh, let me tell you the story with that one. So, we was on my brother-in-law house, and we were drinking. We had a little, I forgot what it was. I think it was my nephew's birthday party. I'm not sure, but we were drinking over there, and we was running out of beer. So me and my compa, we went to go make a beer run, and we was, I wasn't like feeling it or drunk or nothing like that, but I got my windshield tinted. Me and him, we were like jamming, chopping it up and stuff. The road was kind of dark too, so that comes in play. But on the way back, me and him were talking, and then he gonna be like, watch out, watch out, watch out. I was confused because I didn't see anything, but then you hear like a loud ass pop. I hit a trash can. You know how like they leave the trash cans on the side of the road? Well, I hit one of them, and then my side mirror came off smooth, clean, like just broke off. And I think my compa, he got like little scratches from the glass on his arm, but I mean, it wasn't no biggie. But yeah, that's how that happened. Yeah, good times, good times. But yeah, man, let me change these out real quick. We just going to pop these out, take out the screws, take that one off, and then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Oh yeah, check out the sticker, boy. Oh yes, sir, certified. That thing adds like maybe 20 horsepower more to my truck. Yes, sir, it's pretty quick. To remove these, you gotta take out the 1, 2, and the third one up here. This shit won't focus. Oh, there you go. Take those 3s off, and then just put the new one back in. Oh, we got one side down. Oh yes, sir. Now let's do the other side. Let's do this fucked up side. Look how dirty this hoe is, man. The bed all dirty. I don't know the camera picking it up, but this bitch is filthy. Let's do the same process. Well guys, we finished with both. That's how it looks. Yes sir, now we got another one back. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. It is fucking hot. My back's sweating. I feel drops going between my ass crack. There you go guys. changed out the side mirrors. I was hoping I didn't have to take off the door panels to do it. And I mean, like, luckily I didn't have to. I just had to go get a double-sided key, and it helped out a lot. But yeah, man, finally done. Look at that. Looks better already. What's up, guys? I'm gonna go wash my truck. It's been a couple of days since the last time I recorded, but the day after I did everything to this truck, we had to evacuate because, you know, the whole Hurricane Laurel and stuff, and I left my truck back home. But luckily nothing happened to it, you know. Came back, everything was still good. I found my baby, you know, just how I left it. But today I'm gonna just wash her up real good, and then my Compa, the one that I showed previously on the channel, he's having a little photo shoot right now, and he asked me if I wanted to go so he could take some more shots, and I was like, fuck it, why not? So I think that's what we're gonna be doing today. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I just got done washing my truck. I don't know if y'all can see still the water drops, but I just got done washing it. I didn't really record me washing it because I wouldn't want to see a man washing a truck. Like, now I'm playing. I didn't record because I didn't have nobody else with me, and I didn't want to take up too much time because that should be taxing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but right now I'm on my way where my compadre is at with some other of his homeboys. He just over there taking photo shoot to their trucks and shit. So that's where we're heading right now. Look at that clean C10. That was a clean little C10, but yeah, man, we heading over there right now. And I'll catch you over there. Alright, so we here now. Look, y'all can see a couple trucks. There goes my Compa. Oh, yes, sir. What's up, man?
You ready what? You gonna get some pictures here? You wanna go to the next spot?
I'm good.
I just take them. Look, we'll just pull your shit up better, ain't you? Want me to do it?
Got some trucks. The OBS over there. This red cat eye, extended cab. Got this one right here. On drags. Goddamn hurricane getting leave me enough money to buy some brakes. Hey, little cat eye. Got another cat over there. Little OBS right here. We got the Ferrari right here.
Boy, stop playing with me. Here.
Where y'all going after this?
Probably like further that way we.
The OBS. Got this cat out right here. We're going to the next spot. Another OBS. Right now we're going to that other spot. Oh fuck. There goes my fucking Valen. Oh, they just ran up the red light. I ain't about to tag life. Fuck that. I don't know where them boys went. Oh my god, where the fuck they went? I lost them. Chief. Just cause I got V6 on their mind, they over here. I found them. Jesus, man, they keep these people over here pushing lines, man. I can't even doing that. My son gonna be watching this video. He's gonna be like, man, you ran in the lights. I'm gonna run them too. I gotta set an example. You feel me? Uh-oh, there go the laws over there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's following them over there. Uh-oh. Let's go get in some trouble. Uh-oh, I shouldn't really go over there. I got my windows tinted. You feel me? Uh-oh. See what's going on. You go see me flash the lights to anybody. I don't know what's going on, but they stopping. I got my Compa doing his thing, you know what I'm saying? Little photographer ass.
Let's go to the event center. Paul ass caught scared. Almost hit me.
He almost hit you?
You ain't hear his siren? Yeah, that bitch almost hit me.
Where he went?
That way, I thought he was gonna tell us something for stopping.
I thought he was gonna tell us something too. I was like, oh, there go the hoe.
I ain't even see him. He fucking blew his siren at me. I'm like, what the f? They just looked at me. But I was walking in the middle of the road.
Oh, that's why.
I was telling him to come on, but the fucking cop passes all up.
Where y'all going then?
The event center.
Alright. Oh, but y'all got the story of why the cops come over here. This shit was weird. Alright, so we're here. I wasn't in the picture, huh? Boy, behind the scenes. Got that one. Over here. Little single cab. Can't see it, but it got race stars. There you go. Got race stars. Little photo shoot with the fellas. Yes, sir. Golly, quality look bad right now. Low lighting, but that's it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next video.